What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another unboxing slash review of this new e-bike that got sent to me. ONEBOT has reached out to me, so shout out to ONEBOT. They asked me to review this T6F e-bike. This is considered a class 2 e-bike at a very affordable price. I think the price is like $570, something like that, pretty crazy. So I'm gonna get through the whole process. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Dude, welcome back for another what are you doing? What do you mean? I already did that. Yeah, no, I don't need you on this one, bro. I appreciate it. And why are you wearing gloves? That's just weird. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get through this unboxing process right now, put this bike together, show you how it looks, and then we're gonna take it on a test drive. Let's go. Alright, that was super painless. I've received a few bikes in the past. This is by far the fastest it took me to put this together. I think I spent about 10 minutes doing it. Most of the bike is put together. I love this design where I've had a foldable e-bike in the past where it folds in the middle of the frame, but it was kind of hard to fit in the car because of the handlebars. These handlebars fold real fast, really nice. It's a much bigger bike than what I thought. It also came with this, which I'm assuming is the charger. So of course we have the instructions slash manual, and this is the charger for sure. What we'll do now, as always, I'll plug the bike in, let it fully charge, and then we're gonna hit the street and talk about the specs and my opinion of this bike. But so far, it's really cool. It's got this BMX-y type look to it, which I dig a lot. But again, we'll go over all the specs as soon as this battery charges, and I'll see you guys on the street. All right, guys, so we are on this ONEBOT T6F. As I mentioned in the title, this is the most affordable bike I've yet to review, and it looks great. I'll do some close-ups when I discuss some of the specs. So prices change all the time, of course, but as of making this video, this bike is about $629 or something like that, which is insanely affordable for what you're getting. And so far I like it. I wish the seat was a bit less stiff. I wish it was a little softer, but let's go ahead and give this bike a little test over here. So we'll start at the lowest level. We got 4 levels: 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is no power at all. You operate the bike as a regular bike. Let's go to number 1. Number 1 is super chill. Now the acceleration on this thing is pretty fast. So like the response time from the throttle and the pedals is very quick. So this display is kind of accurate. It's about a mile or two off. So 8 miles an hour on number 1. This is super chill, you know, if you're in a crowded area like a boardwalk or the beach or something like that, and you just want to take it easy, maybe talk to the person next to you. This is super chill, and obviously will make the battery last a long time. Let's pop it into number 2. And we got a little bit more, about 2.5 miles, almost 3 miles an hour faster. So we're at about 11 or so miles per hour. Same type of thing, but just a little bit more juice. And level number 3, again, very quick response time. And now we're all the way up to, it says 13.4, but when I pulled out my phone GPS says 15. Like I said, it's off by about 2 miles an hour. So it looks like maybe 10, 12, and 15 miles an hour is the top speed on this. Again, this is a super affordable e-bike. This is not going to be the fastest e-bike in the world, of course, but so far the ride is smooth. The handlebar is really short, which I like and don't like. The turning radius on this thing is pretty insane. Also with the pedals, as soon as you start pedaling, like, it responds right away, which is kind of cool. I've had a bike that you have to pedal like, I think, like 3 or 4 revolutions before it starts acting, which is kind of weird. This one, see, like half a revolution and it's already going. So I like that a lot. And yeah, the overall ride quality is decent. You know, in my channel I have a whole lot of different bikes, so yeah, I'm used to speed and stuff like that. This is not really for speed. This is considered a class 2 e-bike, which means you can take it pretty much anywhere. And now let's talk about some of the specs of this e-bike. So yeah, there it is, the ONEBOT T6F. It's a pretty nice looking bike, I must say. It's got this like BMX-y vibe to it, which I dig a lot. It's also a foldable e-bike, and it folds in 2 areas, 2 locations, one right in the middle of the frame and one right here on the stem, and the whole handlebar collapses, making it a very transportable bike. And it's also very, very light. The bike is 33.5 kilograms, which is about 74 pounds. That's by far the lightest e-bike I've ever tested. As far as the power department, we got 48 volts, 350 watt hub motor in the rear with the really, really cool rim design. It's not your typical spokes. These actually look really, really cool. I like that a lot. It gives the bike a very nice character and a really cool style. As far as the battery goes, we got a 48 volt 10.5 amp hour on this battery. Should give you a range of about 20-25 miles or so. Obviously depends on which speed settings you're in. The battery is housed in here, and you can remove it when you fold the bike. The battery is removable. The seat is adjustable. Like I said, I wish it was a little bit less stiff, but maybe this will break in over time. We got these cool pedals which fold. It has this cool rack in the back where you can put whatever you need to store if you're going to the beach for a picnic or whatnot. It's got a front headlight, which is small, but it actually works better than I expected. And we got the typical front suspension. You know, this is not Fox, but it's enough for the road. We also have mechanical disc brakes, front and rear. Tires are 20-inch by 4-inch pneumatic fat tires, which gives the ride a smooth feel. We also have a Shimano 7-speed with a derailleur. Up top on the handlebars, we have a half twist, half throttle, which I like better than a thumb throttle. We got the horn, we got the Shimano 7-speed. We have our display, which lets you change between the different modes. Also, you can hit this power button real quickly and it'll show you trip, odometer, and the time that you've been riding. And we have this nice little bell just to let people know without scaring them that you're coming by. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Like I said, super affordable e-bike for $600. And if you guys use my discount code VoltedAdventures, I'll leave a link in the description. You'll get another 5% off and help support me, support the channel. So that'll be highly appreciated. But so far, I'm highly impressed with the price and the value for your money. This is a great, nice starting e-bike, very light. My only thing is I wish the seat was a little bit softer, but again, this might break in with time and become more comfortable. But this is a super nice e-bike and it looks great. I like it. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for me. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys like e-bike content and reviews, do-it-yourselves and things like that, definitely make sure to subscribe, leave a like. That really helps out the channel. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.